Hello beautiful people, it's Sherry Moulton back with another video. I am going to do a Dutch pour today and I'm doing the base. I'm not doing it white, I am doing it Liquitex Basics Acrylic Dioxide Purple. Dioxide Purple. So I did my basic 2 parts, 1 part, 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint, and 1 to maybe 3/4 part water. So I've flooded my canvas. I'm just going to give it a quick torch. It's just something different today. So the colors I'm going to use are Artist Loft Level 2 Cerulean Blue Hue, and that also has the Artist Loft iridescent medium. I'm going to do the Pebeo iridescent green yellow. I am going to use the DecoArt Extreme Sheen Sapphire. I am also going to use the Artist Loft Acrylic Flow Metallic Silver. Can't speak today, sorry. I am going to use the Liquitex Quinacridone Magenta. This also has the iridescent medium in it. And I'm going to use the Folkart Treasure Gold Fire Opal. So we're going to see. Might work out, might not. And I'm going to mix a little bit of the white in, just so I can maybe get some lacing in there. So with that being said, I'm going to get these paper towels so I'm not using my mouth to open up these jars. So I'm going to put the Fire Opal on the bottom just because I don't want it to overtake everything. And this is a 8x10 gallery wrapped, so it's not going to be a big one, but I just thought it would be something to do today on our lovely Saturday when you're quarantined and your husband's gone for a nap and you got nothing else to do except talk to the cats. That was the cerulean or cerulean blue hue with iridescent medium. I'm going to put the quadricentra magenta with the iridescent medium. Oops, I got stuff on it. I'm going to put the white in a little bit. Then I will do the Pebeo green. This might not turn out, but you gotta try. I'm going to do the Artist Loft Silver. A lot of paint for this little wee canvas, but that's all right. And here we go with the Extreme Sheen. All right, I'm gonna give it a quick little torch if I don't knock everything over. Maybe, yeah, we won't put no more white on there. Wish me luck. Here we go. Probably could have done a little bit more of the white on there. Thinking if I blow the white, maybe not. We'll do some torching going on here. Look at some cells. There's what Mama's looking for. Perfect. That's different. Oh my goodness. There we go. It is very sparkly, I must say. Yes, I think that if I did this again, I would put a little more white on it. Actually, I don't mind this. This is kind of cool. Very cool. I will bring you up and see if you can, maybe, if I can lift it up. That's why I like using this little tray. Is that not like, look at the iridescence in there. Very neat. Well, there you go. I didn't know. Thought we'd try it. Actually, that's not bad. I might try another different color for a base coat for another one. Well, there we go. I will list everything in the description box that I used. I want to say thank you for watching. Hope everyone's having a wonderful Saturday. It's bright and sunny here in Ontario, Canada. Still chilly, but it's bright and sunny. With that being said, if you haven't yet subscribed, please do subscribe. Hit the like button, hit the bell so you get notifications of my next video. And hope everyone has a great day. Bye. Here we are, down for a close-up. It's kind of cool. I had a lot of paint on for that little wee canvas, but there we go. Bye.